Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by organizing. Place dialogue on one track and music on another so you can control them independently. Once imported, make sure sample rate and bit depth match because mismatches create pitch or sync issues. Next, trim the music so it starts exactly where the first line begins. This avoids abrupt entries. While you do this, keep the music slightly longer than the speech to allow natural fades later. This saves time during mixing and prevents accidental cutoffs. Now you focus on balance and intelligibility. Lower the music to around -18 to -12 dB to keep dialogue prominent. For consistent results, add sidechain compression keyed to the dialogue or create manual volume automation to duck the music whenever someone speaks. Use a short attack and a 0.5 to 1 0-second release so the music returns smoothly after speech. This preserves rhythm and avoids pumping. Make adjustments while listening at conversational loudness to finish by carving space with EQ. High-pass the music around 100 to 200 Hz to remove rumble, and gently dip 200 to 800 Hz if the music masks the voice. Once tonal balance is good, add short crossfades and place a music fade-out after the last dialogue line so the ending feels intentional. If things go wrong, check that your sidechain or automation isn't inverted and that tracks aren't muted. Then re-render with one pass and leave -1 to -0.5 dB headroom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.